Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I decided to do a Valentine's Day inspired coffee because it is the 11th, and so it's going to be Valentine's Day in a couple days. And I'm going to be honest, I haven't made this recipe, but I saw Allison here on YouTube and she had a Valentine's Day coffee video, or a Valentine's Day video, and in the video she made this coffee. But I'm gonna do something slightly different because I did a little bit more research as to like how I can like make it just a little bit different, and I found a video where they do strawberry milk, so strawberry infused milk. That's what we're gonna do to top off our iced coffee. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you try it, please let me know in the comment section. And if you guys do have Instagram, I do upload like little mini tutorials and recipes on Instagram, so follow me on there. I'm gonna put my handle down here, and yeah, I think that is it. Let's get started. I'm starting out with 10 small strawberries. I'm gonna chop them up, mash them, and then I'm gonna throw them over here into my little saucepan.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Okay, so I promise this is probably the most work you're gonna do with this recipe. We're gonna let this cool off a little bit, and then after it's cool off, we're gonna mix it with the milk. I'm gonna try to let it sit for 2 hours, and then we'll mix it in with our coffee. But yeah, let's let this cool off and we'll come back to it in a few minutes. All right guys, so the jam is cooled down, and I'm just gonna taste test it. That's really good. All right, so we're gonna mix this with our milk.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours so the milk can really grab those strawberry flavors, and then we'll do our coffee. It's been 2 hours, so I'm gonna go get the milk, and then we're gonna do our coffee. You know what, might as well just fill this up with ice. This is the cup that I'm gonna use. So yeah, let me fill this up with ice. Let's brew the coffee. For the coffee, I'm gonna use double espresso chiaro. I think that's how you pronounce it. So let's brew that. It's not that pink. I was expecting it to be a lot more pink, but it isn't. So that's okay. You know what? It kind of looks pink against my sweater, but in real life it has like a very, very faint tinge of pink. All right, so we have our brewed coffee, and now I'm just gonna pour the milk over it. I'm gonna set it down here so you guys can see. Zoom you guys in a little bit. All right, so this is really, really pretty. You can see the milk mixing in with the coffee. Look at how pretty this is. I put a little bit of the strawberries on top just for some garnishing. But let's taste it. I'm literally fighting with my kid right here because he like really wants to go after the camera. But we're gonna taste test it, and that is him in the background. Did I say I was a mom? I'm a mom. Okay, let's try this because I'm dying to try it. This is actually pretty good, but I feel like I need a little bit more sugar. It's actually not that bad, but I want it a little bit sweeter, so I figured white chocolate would pair nice with strawberries, so I'm gonna put the white chocolate syrup and we'll mix it in and then try it that way. And I'm gonna mix it with my pink straw. You can see all the little strawberries that I put in there. That's good. Drinking it with a straw is definitely the way to go because you could actually sip all those little muddled strawberries that we have in the milk. And that is so good. I don't know how much I would like this hot. So if you guys are gonna try it, definitely try it iced with a straw because that's the way that you can actually taste all the little strawberries. And the white chocolate syrup is definitely a nice little bonus flavor for the overall experience. Hopefully you guys have a really nice Valentine's Day, whatever you guys are gonna do. I don't think we're going out at all, especially with a 9-month-old during a pandemic. So we'll be staying in, but definitely find me on Instagram. If you guys try this little recipe, tag me on it. I would love to see it. Yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.